Hello and welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, I'm Kaz and welcome to the video. Now I have my little ears on, all rainbow colours, because I am going to be doing a pride look. Just a little look I whipped together for my support to pride. So if you want to see what I come up with, carry on watching. See you soon. Now, hello. I have already got my eyebrows on. My little ears. What do you think to my little ears? I think they're pretty. Rainbow colours. I put my primer and everything on, my foundation, a bit of concealer, etc. But that's all I've on my brows, of course. And what I'm going to be using for the shadow, there's a new, I'll link it down below, but there's a new brand. It's been going for 3 years. And I'm going to be using the Frankly a rainbow palette, which me and my friend have reviewed this. I had a little collab with my friend in there as well, and it'll be up tomorrow. And I'm also going to be using the autumn palette here just for my eyes. All right. Oh, nearly gave it away then, didn't I? So I'm going to get started and just pop some bits shadow on my eyes using this. As I said, there will be a review of this palette and other things from VE Cosmetics shortly. I just haven't got time to do it yet. So I'm going to pop on the light shade here. Has it got a mirror? No. The Frankly has. I could use that. Frankly's got a nice... Oh, I can't get it open. Come on! Frankly's got a nice mirror, so I'll use that one. Right. I hope you can see. Let's just pop this on, which is just a little bit of shadow, and then just a little tiny bit of the orange just to run along, otherwise my eyes look so small. But a little bit of the orange just to run along the outer edge and just give that little bit of a crease. And then in with the shimmer shade to run along the eyebrow. And that is what I'm coming up with for now out of this lovely palette. Thank you very much, palette. Right, and now in with this one, which is there. As I said, tomorrow there will be a full review of this. So what I'm going to do is going to get some brow brushes, and we're going to start obviously with the red. They're pigmented, very pigmented. Just going to use my colour switch thing to clear off in between, as I think that'd be easier. Right, and then in with the orange. You can use any palette, you don't have to use this one. It's a really good rainbow coloured palette though, but you don't have to use this one. Any colours out of any of your palettes, you could use those. Blending on your eyebrow is such fun. It's weird. And then in with the yellow, just to see if I can make that show. Ah, there we go. Dig in a bit harder, Kaz. Plus I have already coloured my eyebrows, of course. So if I didn't do that, but then I wouldn't have nothing to follow. In with the green. That's a nice green. I like. In with the blue. It's all ready for you. Now, the lady who owns VE Cosmetics said, oh, I didn't do it for Pride. I just, you know, brought the palette out as a rainbow palette. And I thought, well, it's perfect for Pride. Anyway, in with the blue. Scribble, scribble, scribble. And in with, I like this purple better. The shimmery purple. Voila! I quite like that. Anyway, right. So that's the eyebrow done. What I was going to do is test out, because they've also come out with a liner, VE Cosmetics, and it's called Pocket Rocket Liner. Oh, I've never tried this, so let's see how I get on with this. Oh, come on palette, open. Dear, let's see how I get on with this. Oh. Well, I've done one side. There we go. It's woke up. Oh dear. I've done one side, which worked quite well. I'm gone on to the other side and I can't get anything out of it. There's nothing there. What am I doing wrong? Do you jab it? What have I done? Oh dear. Oh dear, oh dear. I don't know if I've got a dud or what, so we're just going to change that up to the... I don't know if I've done something wrong or what, but can't have that. Got to finish off my eye look, so I'll grab me Kat Von D. I shall be having a word with her about that one. I don't know if it's something that was on sale and she's had a while or what, but I definitely have a dud, but I'm sure it will be fine when you buy some. Let me have a little look with this liner. There's my liner done anyway. But yeah. Right. That's how it was when I first tested it. Ooh. I'll store it upside down. Tip down and see if it does. But anyway, there we go with the liner. Now the liner worked really, really well. Till it miraculously just dried up for some reason. How strange. Now we're going on to their VE Mermaid Lashes and fibres. Now, as I noticed, fibres are black. So let's swing on some lashes. Now the mascara's good. Mascara's good. I like that. And on with some fibres. Black fibres. And the reason I say lashes is because without mascara, I look like I have none. Now this brand is also cruelty free and vegan. Most of the products say PETA cruelty free on them, which is good. Look at that. I have lashes. I like. Now, this side, I'm going to do something different. I am going to put on mascara for the top lashes, so I'll get on with that. Oh, I like that a lot. My hair's wet and it's sweating me out. Whew. Ew. I have to let mine dry, otherwise if I don't, it ends up poof balling. Anyway. And I got my little pride bracelet as well. These were from Amazon. Cute, aren't they? Not very many pennies either. So there we go. That is that. Right, and then we're going to go back in with this palette and a bit smaller brush. And we're going to do an under eye look. Of the colours. In with the yellow. In with the green. In with the blue. And I'm putting it on my waterline as well because it's cruelty free. I can't see the problem with putting it in your waterline because it should be fine. Bit more blue in there. Bit more green. Bit more yellow. I like that yellow. Bit more orange. And red. And there we have it. There is the colour under the eye. I like that. Now, to finish this off, I'm going to pop on some lashes and grab my lipsticks. See you in a mo. And there we go. There is my lashes on. Bit dramatic, but I think it goes well with the look. So, on with lips. Now, I have Jeffree Star's, what's it called? Queen Bee. So, we're going to start with that in the middle. Turn it out. Oh, it smells so lovely. What's this shadow doing on my nose? There we go. And we're going to do, I don't know, red at this side. As long as it's got the colours. And I haven't got a Jeffree Star orange, but we are going to use the NYX Liquid Suede Orange. And we are going to use, we'll use Dirty Money for the green. Jeffree Star. In the middle. And we'll use abused. Huh? And there you go. Oh, that was hard. That was really, really hard. Really, really hard. But that is the look. Now to finish it off, make it more glitz and glam, I am going to use Summer's Snow Cone from Jeffree Star. And I'm just going to pop some of this on my nose. And my cheeks. And there you have it, the finished look. What do you think? I like it. It's a bit of fun. I really do. You could put gems on here and you could really plaster it up. But I just think I like the simplicity of colours and gems in the hair. I like this look. I wanted to do a look like this just to support Pride. It's not nice. I get teased by my weight all the time. People get teased by the colour of the skin. People get teased because they're gay or etc. It's not nice. We have all got the same blood running through our system. We are all the same complicated person, creature, on this earth. We should not be picked on just because we want to be a little bit different. And I like this look. I like it a lot. And I don't know why do they do it? It's a shame, a real shame. I've had friends that have been picked on because of all different kinds of equality fall down. So let's say this look is my up yours. Let's all be equality. See you in my next video. Bye for now.